So here are some of the latest clients that I signed, and obviously they work with me because I know something that they didn't and that you probably don't know right now. And that's exactly what I'm about to tell you, so it will be probably one of the most valuable videos that you ever saw. And I will begin with a problem that most of you have at the moment, and how am I going to help you fix it. So year is 2020, it's e-commerce boom, which means that everyone makes shit ton of money on dropshipping because people have like all this money from the government, etc. Inflation is booming. Actually, it hasn't yet, I think. Yeah, it started rising like a year after or something. So yeah, everyone has money. And what do people without any financial educational do with money? Do with free money? They spend it. And basically, it wasn't an insult because I'm one of them. I'm a huge spender, yeah, so... Okay, 2020, everyone spends money, right? So, what do? People do dropshipping, so all the money from people goes to dropshippers' pockets. Because people have lots of money, so it's easy to sell to them. But what happened after is we got hyperinflation, bear market, so, and lots of scams, lots of scammed people. So what we have now, broke people basically who don't trust anyone, so don't trust you. So now these are people that you as dropshipper is selling now. Yeah. So this is your basically target audience because dropshipping items are usually low cost and not premium and sold to not very smart people. Can I say that? I don't know. But yeah, usually it is how it is. And what happens now is that if in 2020 the user needed to see only one ad to make a purchase, now they have to see you at least 7+ times to build enough trust and to get purchase. So if you do, for example, Facebook ads, for each of these 7 times you spend money. So your cost of acquisition skyrockets and you make less money or you don't make money at all, which happens with most of the people. You need to get in front of your dream customer eyes at least 7 times for as cheap as possible. And right now I will tell you exactly how to do that. So it will lower your cost per acquisition, it will increase your repeat purchases, and it will basically increase your profits. So there's an old way and a new way to do dropshipping. So basically, if we take the same store that, for example, uses old funnel that everyone uses now, so basically it's running ads, driving traffic to the store and making immediate sales, and the new funnel that I will tell you about in a couple of minutes, the store with the new funnel will make approximately twice as much money as the same store using the old funnel. So basically right now your correct question will be how to become the brand that will be on top of the mind of your customer whenever he thinks about his problem. And the answer to this question will be to get as much brand exposures to your customer as possible for as cheap as possible. Because Facebook ads are expensive, Google ads are expensive, every basically ad platform is expensive or not working. So what is working and what is cheap, or I would say free? Emails. Because let me be honest with you guys, all of you are checking emails every day. I check my Apple Mail app like 50 times a day. So the new way is actually a completely new way to do dropshipping that I think each of you should focus on from now on, which is instead of focusing on first purchase conversion rate and trying to use all the basically tricks and life hacks, etc. to get the first sale, so only about 3% of people will buy from you and then forget about you forever. Instead, you collect as much data as possible from your entire traffic, which is basically email and phone number. And then you nurture them long enough so they start trusting you and eventually buy from you. So from now on, you actually have three options. The first option is to forget about what I just said you and do nothing, which is of course incorrect action, because basically what you will do, you will lose the bidding game, Facebook ads bidding game, with people who actually do what I just said to do, because they have higher margins and they can afford to spend more to acquire a customer. So the second thing you can do is to watch my YouTube channel and do it yourself. It's not that hard as you think. Of course, it takes a lot of time, and honestly, most of you guys, you're just so focused on the, suppliers and all that stuff, so you probably won't have time for that. And the third thing is, of course, work with me. I can do this entire system for you. Well, as I said, you have basically no risk, because I already have huge clients and we are getting insane results for them. So again, if you want to just find out more, book a call with me. I Don't Buy It is completely risk-free for you. And yeah, I actually believe that it is the opportunity of the, not decade, but couple of years or something, before everyone will find out how important it is. So email marketing is, in my opinion, the most underrated way of getting clients in 2025. And faster you understand that, faster you will basically out margin your competitors. And yeah, that's all what I wanted to say for today, and I hope you will have an amazing day.